Welcome to Science Hub. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey to the moon, where the race is on to establish a lasting human presence. With nations eyeing the moon's resources, the 21st century marks a new era of lunar exploration, raising important questions about how we can peacefully and cooperatively use what the moon has to offer. The moon is a tempting destination due to its valuable natural resources. At the forefront is water, found as ice at the lunar South Pole. This water could be crucial for sustaining life in future lunar bases and could even be converted into rocket fuel. Besides water, the moon is rich in rare minerals, making it an attractive target for extraction. However, these resources are not limitless, and the competition to establish lunar bases and utilize these resources could potentially lead to conflicts. International agreements play a vital role in governing space activities. The Outer Space Treaty of 1967 is a cornerstone, prohibiting national claims of sovereignty over celestial bodies and declaring space as the province of all humankind. This means that lunar resources should be accessible to every nation. Yet, the challenge remains: how can we use lunar ice without violating these principles? To address this, the United States has introduced the Artemis Accords, aimed at fostering international cooperation in space. These accords propose shared guidelines for resource utilization, emphasizing that mining resources does not equate to national ownership. A key concept within the Artemis Accords is the creation of temporary safe zones around extraction sites to prevent harmful interference. However, these zones have sparked debate, as they could be perceived as conflicting with the Outer Space Treaty's anti-ownership principles. Several countries are actively working on projects to build permanent lunar bases. For instance, China is planning the International Lunar Research Station, while NASA is developing the Artemis Base Camp. These initiatives highlight the potential for a more equitable future in space exploration, aiming to overcome past disparities. Exploring the moon presents a significant challenge this century, necessitating global and balanced collaboration to achieve peaceful and cooperative goals. Nations must unite to avoid repeating terrestrial conflicts in space and transform space into a platform for diplomatic, social, and economic growth. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this journey to the moon, be sure to subscribe for more fascinating science content.